In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all files from Google Drive at once. Many of us store a plethora of files in Google Drive, from work documents to personal photos. Over time, these files can accumulate, leaving you with a cluttered digital workspace. Maybe you've decided it's time to clean house and start fresh. Whatever your reason, I'll guide you through the process in a straightforward manner, ensuring that you won't miss any important files you might still need. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Drive. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in drive.google.com. Make sure that you're logged into the account where your files are stored. Once you're at the My Drive main page, take a moment to glance over the file, thumbnails and folders just to assure yourself of their arrangement and content. Now that you're ready to clear some space, it's time to select all the files. This is surprisingly easy. Simply press and hold the Control key on your keyboard, and while you're doing that, tap the A key. If you're using a Mac, you'll want to use the Command key instead of Control. This action will highlight every file and folder in your drive, preparing them for deletion. Before we proceed, it's worth mentioning that sometimes amidst the haste to declutter, we might select files accidentally that we didn't mean to delete. Thus, it's always wise to double check the highlighted files to ensure that nothing important gets removed unnecessarily. Having selected all your files, you're now ready to remove them from your drive. To do this, look for the trash or bin icon at the top of the page, which typically appears as a small trash can. Clicking on this icon will prompt Google Drive to begin moving all selected items to the trash. In a span of seconds, you've effectively moved everything from your main drive folder to the trash. However, this removal isn't entirely completed just yet. Google Drive retains your trashed items for 30 days prior to permanently deleting them. If you're looking to completely purge the files right away, you'll need to go to the trash section, which is located in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Once inside, you might again select the files by pressing Ctrl and A, or using Command and A on a Mac, followed by clicking the Delete Forever option. So, there you have it. In a few simple steps, you've just managed to cleanse your Google Drive and eliminated all unnecessary files, leaving you with a fresh space ready for new files or projects. Remember, regularly doing some digital housekeeping can make a huge difference in maintaining efficiency and clear organization. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you today.